What's up you guys, it's David. Today I've got the key to the new Kia Sorento. We will have a look at the exterior, the interior and some new features, like for example the blind spot assists, the 360-degree camera and the remote key control system. Now let's have a look. The new Kia Sorento has been given a very aggressive look. So we have 3 separate LED lights, beneath that the deer running lights. The bumper of the car is finished in gloss black and on the upper part it's finished in chrome. We have also got the front camera and the radar system. Now, this model is a plug-in version, so it means you can drive up to 50 kilometers purely electric. To open the trunk, you can do that by pressing the button on your key or on the button that is just beneath the logo. We've got the cables to charge the car. So we've got the home charger. And of course also the cable to charge your car at the charging station. We got electric windows, seat heaters, 2 cup holders and also a curtain is available. USB ports also located in the seats. We've got an armrest with 2 cup holders. It's a very spacious interior. Now the seats are finished in white and black leather. They're of course fully electric with memory function on the door. On the left side you have the controls for your windows and the mirrors, and beneath that of course a cup holder and some storage room. You've also got the button to open the trunk from the inside. You've got a storage room, 2 cup holders on the central console, heated steering wheel, the electronic handbrake with the auto hold function, DBC control, the parking sensors, and of course the camera. Then you have also got a button in regards to the electric engine. So whenever you press it, you have 3 modes. You have the automatic mode, you've got the hybrid mode, and the fully electric mode. You've also got the different driving modes. So you've got Eco, Sport, and Smart. And of course also the different terrain modes. So you've got snow modes, mud mode, and sand mode. The automatic gearbox. Heated seats and cooled seats. The climate control. And of course the infotainment system. This is a fully touchscreen. You can use it of course by your finger or pressing some short keys on the sides of it. A smart key function as well. Now, one of the cool things that you have with this car is its remote control system. So you can basically drive the car forward and backwards just by your keys. Amazing, right? Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.